All right. So what did we get from Uncle Paul here for Christmas?
A radio.
A radio?
And an owner's manual.
An owner's manual.
Yeah.
Okay, where's the owner's manual go? Wow, easy install. Then what's next?
The radio.
The OEM radio. Where's it go?
Right in this big missing hole.
There we go.
Just plug it in.
Let's do it. All right, so we got the radio. We got the brackets on it. We have 4 screws to hold it to place. And we have the OEM plug. So, OEM plugs. So we'll do that right now. Should be really easy. All right, so we got the radio here. We're gonna just plug it in. We're gonna start with the antenna. Antenna goes in the corner here. Second one is this one. Yeah, that's gonna be last. And then this guy, I don't know where this guy goes. I think some other gauge possibly. So if you know, comment below. Otherwise, I'm just gonna plug this guy in. Just a little bit short. Oh, that's tough. There we go. It's a little hard to get in there, actually. It's easier to uninstall stuff. But let's give her. There we go.
It's in?
Yep. It's in. And there's some little guides there. Hold it in place. Pretty easy to do. It's just 4 of these screws. That holds it into place. You get the idea. And let's key it on, see if it works. The fun thing with these old WRX radios are they don't have access codes. So all you can do is just plug and play. You don't need to call a dealer to get a code for it, which is really nice. Oh, what do we got here?
Okay, like copyright or whatever.
Oh yeah. We better be careful. But
we're not.
It seems to work very well. So thank you, Uncle Paul.
Yeah.
We really appreciate it. Radio is really easy to install, except for getting that
Don't play
plug-in.
static. You gotta play a little of some music.
Something?
Yeah.
Okay, here.
Not that low.
I'm on the low end here.
Yeah.
I know where I'm headed here. Oh, come on.
Twist it more. Can you just...
There we go.
There. Alright.
There we go. That'll work. Alright. Anyway, subscribe. We'll install some more stuff and get this done. Later.
Bye.